So I'm trying to making a softbox light. So you can see it's a BOB LED 12 volt. So I am using a small fan, DC fan, and a heatsink to cool down the light. There is a DC jack and a switch. Okay. So now I'm connecting. There is my power supply, 12 volt. Set to 12 volt. Okay. So it is like now, and if I turn on, and I will use a butter paper to cover this up to spread the light. Okay. One more thing, I used aluminium foil to cover this up whole inside. Okay. Now you can see I have covered the mouth with tracing paper. You can also use butter paper or white cloth. So now I am showing you the light. You can see this is like this. It is on focus straight, and if it is not focused, you can see. Okay, this is the softbox light. Actually, what can you see? It's like this. And also the fan is moving. Heatsink, the light inside. Now we can also make a stand for this to work as a softbox light with stand. I'll make some in other time. Okay, it looks like this. You can also paint this whole side black. This will look good. I used the masking tape. You can see this. Okay, bye.